guys, welcome back to Palette Therapy. If this is your first time stopping by, hey. If not, thank you for the support. In today's video, I will be showing you how to install this beautiful headband wig. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below and subscribe. I do post videos every Thursday. You don't want to miss them. Now, let's get into this video. Okay guys, so the first thing I want you all to realize is that headband wigs are not supposed to be complicated. Like, this is supposed to be a grab and go 5 minutes or less type of thing. I don't understand how people stretch their videos out to 10-15 minutes doing a headband wig. This is supposed to be simple. Like, I use headband wigs in my daily life. I am natural, as most of you know, and sometimes, most of the time, I don't have time to comb my hair. Being natural, it takes hours. It is a process to do your hair, and I don't have time. So I'm just a grab and go, let's get out the dough type of person. So yeah, so I have my headband wig here. Isn't she pretty? I know you guys are gonna ask me where I got it from. Honestly, most of my headband wigs I actually got them from like a thrift shop here in my town. So I honestly don't know what company it is, but I do shop a lot on Amazon and AliExpress. I will, you know, try to link some that look close to this, but honestly, like I said, I do know she's 20 inches and it is a deep wave wig, as you can see the curls, but I don't know exactly what company it came from. So yeah, I'll work on that though. And it does come with a headband already made. It comes with headbands, and it also comes with a Velcro strap, and 2 combs in the top and 1 comb in the nape area. If you're going to be out doing something like strenuous activities, like you're gonna be busy and the wind is blowing or whatever, make sure you hook your combs in. You know, if you haven't already watched my story time, go ahead and check my story time out, where my wig, it fell off, it flew off while I was out in public. You know, luckily nobody saw it, at least I hope they didn't, but it did happen. So my advice is to make sure you utilize some of these combs. There's one up here at the top too, you know, just in case the headband isn't tight, because I do have some headband wigs that are too big. So yeah. Okay, so what I like to do is I like to already have my headband strapped, you know, just to go ahead and save time, because like I said, most of the time I'm in a hurry. I'm trying to get out the door, so I already have it strapped. You don't have to have it strapped. You can strap it in the back. It's just whatever you prefer. I also like to go ahead and have my edges laid down. I am not good with baby hair, so that's not something I really do. I know you see the discoloration right here from my makeup and my forehead, but that's okay, because I got my foundation brush right here, and I also have the headband. So once I lay the headband down, I'll go back and add a little foundation right there. But I like to go ahead and lay my edges down while I'm finishing the rest of my process of getting dressed. That way they can lay down, because let me tell you, I don't have normal edges. The things roll up. I mean, when I say they roll up, they roll up. Like, they're serious. I mean, it's hard to even find an edge control that will keep them down. And, you know, God forbid it's hot outside, then we're not gonna get into all that. But like I said, I like to go ahead and lay my edges down and have my wig cap on while I'm finishing the rest of my process. So I like to go ahead and pull it up to the front before I pull it in the back, pull it down in the back, just to go ahead and pull the headband out. And then I like to go in and pull the back down to make sure the cap is fitted on my head. At this point, once you get her adjusted, is when you would want to put your combs in. You know, like I said, if you gonna be doing something, make sure you have those combs in. You don't want your hair to fall off. Also, another thing about headband wigs, you don't have to have your edges done. you don't. I mean, some days I don't have them done. Some days I'll have my wig pulled all the way down to like here, so you can't even see that discoloration where my foundation was at. I'll have it pulled all the way down. Excuse that beeping noise if you hear it. That's my smoke detector. My husband needs to change the battery in it, but whatever. So yeah, you don't always have to have your edges done. For the sake of this video, I do have mine kind of laid down a little bit. Like I said, they're unruly. They do their own thing. But you know, then you just place it on. If you're doing something, this is where you would hook your combs in. It, ladies, hook your combs in. Make sure it's down. If you didn't strap it first like I did, you go ahead and strap it in the back right now, and then you just style her the way you want to wear her, you know, style it how you want to wear it. I usually like to wear mine down, but I do have one that I already have in the bun. It's my work hair. She's already in the bun. Throw her on, go out the door. I have worn them in ponytails before, you know, they're cute up. You can accessorize and throw different headbands on with them as well. I'm going to wear her down today. Today I'm going to hang out with one of my friends. We're going on a bestie date. I'm excited about that, so I'm just gonna wear this down. But yeah, this is it. I mean, this is legit it, how to do a headband wig. I don't know why it seems so hard. It's not hard, it's not complicated. I mean, that's it. One of the quickest hair. I mean, it took me, looking at my clock on my wall and at the camera, it took me 6 minutes to do this. Like, if you don't have one, sis, what are you waiting for? Go get you one. Like, legit, go get you one. So yeah, this is it. Also, I will have a video out for this makeup look either before this video or after this video. But if you're subscribed to my channel, you'll get the notification anyways. If you're not, what are you waiting for? But anyways, yeah, that's it. I'm just giving you guys a hard time, but that's legit it. I mean, there's nothing to it but to do it. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, this video on how to do a headband wig. Let me know down below if you understood it, if it was easy for you guys, if it wasn't, if I need to simplify it a little bit more. Just comment down below. If you like the video, go ahead and give me a red heart in the comment section. Like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch you in my next one.